Hey guys, today we're diving into a unique pair of wired earbuds called the KBEAR KB02 earbuds. Let's open up the box and see how they work. And yeah, let's take a look inside the box. In this box here, a whole bunch of accessories, extra ear tips, aux cable, and a whole bunch of ear tips. There's the instruction manual, and then here are the earbuds themselves. And so yeah, let's go test them out and see how they work. First off, the KB02 features bone conduction technology with a compensation beryllium-plated diaphragm. This setup transmits vibrations straight into your ear so you get more immersive sound without crazy loud volumes. You also get rich deep bass with high clarity, making them perfect for atmospheric tracks or bass-heavy genres. It packs dual 10mm driver units, which help to reduce wave interference and sharpens the highs. Whether you're into R&B, folk, or powerhouse vocals, the sound output is always clean and stable. They are designed with 3D printing and are hand polished to perfection, while also coming in a few different colors, fitting your preference. The resin shell is durable, dust-proof, and keeps its glossy finish even after extended use. Comfort-wise, they give a secure and ergonomic fit that sits snugly in your ear canal. And it's built with skin-friendly silicone, making it ideal for long sessions, whether you're studying, relaxing, or just zoning out to your favorite playlist. It also features a 5N high-purity OFC cable that helps to minimize signal distortion. And it's fitted with a 0.78mm 2-pin connector, so it's compatible with a range of upgrades if you're looking to mod your gear. And the aux cable works with many different devices such as your phone, tablet, game console, and more. So whether you're chasing crisp vocals or deeper bass, the KB02 brings you professional grade audio in a sleek and accessible design. And if you're interested in them, you can check them out in the link below. See you next time.